What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. Alright, today we're gonna be going to drop off the truck to finally get its C-notch. But before that, I'm gonna be working on some orders so we can drop them off at the post office. And I need to show you guys some gummies that I got from one of my boys out in Houston, Texas. Martinez Candy. We're gonna be checking out his gummies right now. Oh, and I have a new decal and hat design, maybe even shirt design that I need to show you guys. Check it out. So, but it's pretty much says big. It's gonna go on hats and decals. So if you guys want one, let me know. They're gonna be posted up on the website as soon as you guys see this video. Another announcement: we're at 15,000 subscribers now. I do have a giveaway coming for you guys. It's gonna be a flip kit giveaway. So stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be 100% free. You just gotta be on Instagram because that's where I'm gonna be doing it. Stay tuned for that. Check out my Instagram to stay updated. I will also post it on here though. So thank you guys. 15,000 subscribers. That's awesome. Let's get to 50 now. All right, so here's the gummies we're gonna be trying. Like I said, Martinez Candy out from Texas. Go check out his Instagram. Send me a sticker too. Look at that. Let's see. These are the gummy bears. I had them in the fridge because when I got them, since it is coming all the way from Texas, they're a little melted and warm. So I just threw them in the fridge. We're gonna try the gushers right here. Oh, it has a little kick to it. Oh damn, a good kick to it. Right off the back, you can't really taste that much chili or like the chamoy flavors and all that. But once you try it, it has a kick. And it's really good. Alright, next we got the gummy bears. So I'm gonna try to get a PO box so in case any of you want to send anything for me to open on camera or something. Oh, these are a little hard because of the fridge. They're good. But if they were fresh, I bet you they'll be better. So if you guys are out in Texas, go ahead and check out Martinez Candy. Alright, let's get going. Reflective blue decal. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we also have reflective red. I'll show you guys later. And then we have these free stickers that come in every order. So every order you place, get one of these for free. Alright, let's get these orders loaded up in the truck, and then we'll move them around so we could take out the giveaway truck. Alright guys, we got the truck. I got the low coolant light on, so we're gonna throw some coolant in it before we drive off. Alright guys, so we're on our way. The truck is gonna need some more coolant, so we're probably gonna get some on the way back once it's good. And then I was hearing a squeak in the front, so we're probably gonna have to replace the serpentine belt and maybe one of the pulleys, so we're gonna be doing that later on. But let's take care of the notch. Ya valió verga esta troca. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. All right, so from the start of this build, I wanted to be completely honest with you guys, and I have been. So I'm gonna show you what the truck did to me today. This shit's leaking coolant. So I filled it up, a whole gallon and a half of coolant, and it just fucking leaked out. So we're back to low coolant again. Let me show you guys where it's leaking from. But don't worry guys, everything's gonna get fixed. I want this truck to go in good shape for you guys and for you to be able to drive it wherever you're from. So let me show you guys. I don't want to give you guys a bad truck, you know. Look at that coolant. Oh, this truck is gonna need an engine detail for sure after this. If you guys know what it is, please let me know so I can get it fixed ASAP. Look, so it's leaking from that little nipple right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. That little nipple, right where my finger is. That nipple right there is dripping from there. When I turn on, it starts like spraying coolant everywhere. But I'm gonna try to have this fixed as soon as tomorrow. Stay tuned for the rest of this video. See how the truck gets fixed. Thank you guys. Alright guys, so we stopped by at 7-Eleven to get some modelos para el estrés. We're gonna pop the trunk on the Silverado and take off that throttle body to see what's going on with it. Alright guys, we got the carton down there, so in case some coolant leaks, won't be on the driveway. And look at it guys, I forgot to show you that we got a new grill. Hell yeah, so expect another cooking video soon. Pero mira la mamalona. Alright, let's what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this intake. I know it's a custom made intake, look at that thing. But we're gonna put a better intake for you guys, actual cold air intake. So we're gonna take off this intake right here, then take off the throttle body and see what's going on. Cause right there you can see there's already dried up coolant already. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get this fixed within a few days so we can get it notched already and then send it off to the paint shop already. So don't take my word for everything I say, but I have done this before. But yeah, don't take my word for it. I am not a professional. I am not a mechanic. I'm just doing this because I like it. Let's take out every electrical clip this thing has. Alternator, the sensor, and then there's 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3 on this side. So they're all 10s, I believe. Should be. Yeah, they're all 10s. All right, guys, I found the issue. Okay, so right here on your throttle bodies, I don't know if it's different for any other years, but my truck also has this. My truck has 2 hoses like these, one on each side of the throttle body, as you see right here. Those 2 little holes right there. It has 2 of those hoses that connect to these holes where the coolant bypasses the throttle body. And so obviously this side has it right there, but this side had this little plug, just blocking it right here, plugging it up. What the hell? So we're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna go check out my truck right now and see where the left side hose goes, so we could get that fixed. Good thing this is not a crazy fix. We might be able to fix this today. Let's check it out, guys. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but look, clearly on this side it's gonna have the little hose. Yep, there's a little hose on the left side right there. It looks like it goes through here, down right here into the radiator. So now I'm gonna go check out the radiator, see why they decided to do that delete. And if we need a new radiator, I wouldn't mind buying one. So okay, so yeah, this side does not have that same thing. This is a different radiator. And since you guys do see the E-fan conversion on this truck, they probably, I don't know what they did, but this is a different radiator. So what we might have to do is, I don't know, guys, should I replace the radiator? What do you guys say? I think I am gonna have to replace the radiator, because that's dumb as fuck. Why would you delete that? Whoever did that, that's dumb as fuck. But yeah, let's just get a new radiator for this thing and do everything the correct OEM way. That doesn't include plugging up any holes. So I'm gonna get that ordered ASAP. Alright, now that we know what the problem is, I'm gonna start making some moves so we could get this thing back up and running and C-notched and to the paint shop or to the wrap shop or whatever we gotta do. But for now, let's get this throttle body cleaned out, because I have it opened already, so might as well. clean it up. Because look at that. Look at that carbon buildup. That's ugly. Thank you. Alright guys, so I went to AutoZone to buy some coolant, and these are the exact plugs, well, the plug they used to plug that thing up. So I just did it for now, so we can go and finish getting it notched while the radiator is on the way. I already ordered it from my sponsor, so you guys will see that video pretty soon. I'll do a whole installation for you guys, and it's pretty much like a E-fan conversion, so you guys will see. So stay tuned for that video, and it's gonna get a whole new radiator so it could actually run correctly. Do things correctly, guys, unless you're a Mickey Mouse job guy, Mickey Mouse employee. All right, truck is good to go for now, so we're gonna go drop it off so it could get notched, and tomorrow we'll pick it up. All right guys, the truck is home. Don't mind my gimbal, I'm about to film the flip kit giveaway for y'all right now, so make sure you guys watch the next video. All right guys, so the C-notch is done, but like how you guys seen in the video, another problem came out, and we're gonna have to replace that the radiator that is not the correct radiator to put in the truck, and we're gonna put the correct one from an 05 to 06 or 07 classic Silverado that comes with E-fans. So we're gonna do that, make sure everything is plugged in correctly, none of this Mickey Mouse stuff, and because I want you guys to have something that's, you know, reliable, and that little plug is not reliable at all. So that's what we're gonna be doing next for this truck. But the notch is done, so we could be driving it now. I am gonna get some better shocks because these are a little bit too bouncy for my liking, and I sent her a little too hard the other day, so made it a little bit worse. So yeah, so that's what's next for the truck. But don't worry about the coolant leaking or anything. That's all gonna get fixed. Like I said, new radiator and the correct hosing from the throttle body to the radiator, so you won't have to deal with that. Well, whoever wins it won't have to deal with that later on. So yeah guys, other than that, we are going to be talking to Street Concepts, see what we could do about some sponsorship they're trying to do with, I'm not going to tell you guys, but I'm gonna just leave that there, right there. And then I'm gonna start talking to the paint shop to see when I could hand it to them so they could start working on it, get it nice and painted. And then, well, it's probably at the paint shop, that's when we'll probably do all the radiator stuff and all that. We're coming close to getting this thing done, so get your guys' entries in. I know I've had this thing since April, March, and all these past months, but it was not easy getting the truck where it is right now, especially with all the COVID and everything going on. People lost jobs, businesses had to shut down and everything. So I'm a small business myself, so it's been hard. So thank you guys for being patient. I appreciate every single one of you guys, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget, 15,000 subscriber flip kit giveaway coming soon. So if your truck isn't lowered, it could be lowered soon, and it's free. You just gotta have an Instagram. So see you guys next time. But let's look at that notch. I didn't even show you guys. You're not gonna really be able to see it, but let me see if I can show you guys a little bit. I'll show you guys pictures and stuff, but nah, I don't think you guys can see it. Let me show you guys pictures and videos. Peace out, everyone.